Cross-multiplying is one of the best, fastest ways to solve proportion problems. Proportion problems are things where we could say like some number divided by 4 is equal to 7 divided by 14. And essentially what it comes down to is this. You're trying to eliminate the fraction. And if I could, I'm just going to say, well, if I multiplied this by 4, like this, 4 times this, that would divide the 4's out. But whatever I do to one side, I have to do to the other. Okay? So of course, you would just multiply the numerators and you would say, well, it's 28 over 14. But I would also like to eliminate the denominator on the right side. So you could say, well, I could multiply by 14. Whatever I do to one side, I have to do to the other. So I end up with 14 times x equals 7 times 4, which is 28. And then I can just divide both sides by 14. Now that's the rationale here. This is 2, by the way. That's the rationale behind why cross-multiplying works. Because what it looks like is that I just multiplied x by 14, and I just multiplied 4 by 7, and I set the two equal to each other. But really what I was doing is multiplying by what would divide out the denominator. Let's go right to the faster way this time. X multiplied by 3 is 3x. 9 multiplied by 4 is 36. Divide both sides by 3, and that is 12. All right, let's keep going. So here we do 2x times 12, so that's 24x. And then we do 3 and 9. Multiplied, so 27. Divide both sides by 24. Well, this doesn't come out as nice as the first two, but we can reduce this. They're both divisible by 3, so we could say that that is equal to 9/8 or 1.125 if you prefer fractions, or decimals. Next up, we're going to do 4x times 7, so 28x. And we're going to do 5 times 13, which is 65. Divide both sides by 28. And I think that's as good as that answer can get. So again, this works great for solving for proportions. It works when we have a fraction equal to another fraction, that this relationship will always be true, that we can just multiply across that equal sign. Again, the reason it works is essentially we're trying to divide those out. So we multiply both sides by 4, divide those out. But it just looks like we're cross-multiplying. Okay, so that's why we do it. If this video helped you, please like and subscribe for more math help.